In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gusto with Xero. By the end, you'll have your payroll system talking to your accounting software so your books stay up to date with less manual work. Before we jump in, a quick tip. Make sure you have admin access in both Gusto and Xero, and know which Xero organization you want to connect. That will save you time during the approval prompts. First, head to Gusto and log into your account. Use the primary company you want to connect with Xero. If you manage multiple companies in Gusto, double-check you're inside the correct one before moving forward. It's also a good idea to close extra browser tabs and pause any pop-up blockers, since the connection process may open a new window for authorization. Once you're in Gusto, open the Integrations or App Directory area. This is where Gusto lists the apps it can connect with. In the search bar, type Xero. You should see the official Xero integration appear. Open it to view the details page, which usually outlines what data will sync and any permissions that will be requested. Take a moment to skim that summary so you know exactly what's being shared between the two systems. Now, click to start the connection and follow the integration confirmations. Gusto will prompt you to connect to Xero and may redirect you to a secure Xero login page. If you're already signed in to Xero in your browser, it may jump straight to the approval screen. If not, sign in as an administrator for the organization you intend to link. You'll then be asked to review and authorize the connection. This typically includes confirming the specific Xero organization, reviewing the permissions requested by Gusto, and granting access so payroll data can flow properly. After you approve, you'll be sent back to Gusto where you should see a confirmation that the integration is active or pending. Give the page a few seconds to refresh and look for a connected status. If you manage more than one Xero organization, double-check that you selected the right one during authorization. If anything looks off, you can disconnect and repeat the confirmation flow to correct it. That's it! You've gone to Gusto and logged in, opened integrations to find Xero, and clicked through to start and complete the integration confirmations. As a final tip, keep an eye on your first payroll export or sync to ensure everything looks accurate, and consider capturing a quick screenshot of the connected status for your records. Thanks for watching, and happy syncing!